Welcome to the fourth episode of Flow's Fundamentals. This episode is on the essential mechanics required to add the Violet booster. This will be quite brief as we only have one mechanic that we need to cover in terms of fundamental mechanics, and that is the Specialty Bunnies. Specialty Bunnies are a new type of bunny that come in three forms. You get a single Specialty Bunny, which is more what we're used to seeing, but they also come in doubles or triples. Quite simply, they have no color, but they can form triplets very easily by type. Consider Specialty as yet another type like Sinister or Gleeful, but these bunnies do not have a color, so they cannot form triplets with other bunnies besides Specialties. This brings up a question of how do double and triple bunnies actually work? For all interactions except for forming triplets, consider it a single bunny, which keeps things quite simple. It only dies once, it only takes up one space, it's gambled as one bunny for Poverty Poker, and it costs only $10 once we add the pawn shop from the orange booster. This has been the fourth episode of Flow's Fundamentals on the essential mechanics required to add the Violet booster. And as always, Jeff bless.